Good afternoon, dear students. Once again, welcome back to our biology class. Dear students, in the previous class, we have discussed about the concept of introduction regarding to the biology. So you know that what is biology? Okay. So usually, who is the father of biology? And then you know the differentiate characters between the living and non-living things, isn't it? Now today, we'll go for the next step, that is. So usually biology consists of various branches, isn't it? So what are the major branches which comes under this? Now I'm selecting today in this session so few of the branches to discuss that will be helpful for your upcoming classes. Okay, so that usually you are studying the branches of biology, it is definitely helpful for your the future because they have the wide scope of this. Okay, now simple definition you already written. So biology means here to study, that means of a life. Okay, study of life. Now this biology have a major or two divisions having, okay, or a section what you call. So let us start the two major branches first. So first one I am written here, zoology. Okay, and here the second one is I am written as botany. So zoology and botany are the two major branches. Okay, not only these two, even many number of branches which is comes under this biology field. Okay, so that will be discussed later one by one. Okay, let us know about what is zoology and what is botany. Okay, so just I written as it is a branch of biology that dealing with the animals. Okay, it is a branch of what you called plants life. So it deals with the plants. So a simple right here, zoology and botany we will pronounce as fauna and it is flora. Simply I can say this, a study of fauna in the sense of animals, study of flora in the sense of study of plants. Okay, it is a branch of, I write in the definition for the here, branch of biology. It is a branch of biology that dealing with animals. Dealing with animals. Okay, so come to here. So see this botany, the study of flora. Simply I write here, it is a branch of biology. It is a branch of biology, okay, that deals with plant life. Okay, plant life. Okay, next question arises. You know right now, so two major branches are there. Okay, zoology and botany. Now you know the definition of zoology and botany. Then third question arises in this. Okay, so under this, that is, who is the father of the zoology and who is the father of botany? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಟನಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಜುವಾಲಜಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಪಿತಾಮಹರು ಯಾರು? ಈಗ ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಯಾರು, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ zoology and botany, I am writing here in the below. Just write down as this. Here I am writing here, father of zoology. Okay, I write down below here Aristotle. Who is that? Aristotle is the father of zoology. Okay, then father of botany. And question, father of botany here, Theophrastus. Theophrastus is the father of botany. Okay, dear students, please copy down these two major branches, and it is very essential for next higher education also. Okay, after the completion of your PUC, go for the BSc or else some other branches. So these are going to be needed as a zoology, as a botany. Okay, copy down these points to rest. Okay, I'll remove this. Dear students, now we'll discuss other branches of biology. So after the botany and zoology you've seen, okay. Now will be the other branches which comes under this biology. Okay, let us take the major after this. Branches of biology. Okay, branches of biology. Let me talk with one by one. Okay, first one, ecology. So ecology means what? So in the Greek language, ecos, okiost, we are pronounced as okiost. Okay, the meaning here, household. The meaning here, household. That means the study of, okay, the interaction between organism and with their environment. So simply we will refer as the ecology. Simply I write in here, study of study of interaction between organisms and with their environment. So with their environment. Okay, dear student, we'll go for the next branch, that is embryology. Okay, so what is embryology? Embryon means here union. Okay, so embryon here union. Okay, so what we are studying here, the study of embryo simply called, but here the study of, okay, developmental changes can be observed under the embryology. I can say one best example, you know, the fertilized egg. Okay, that fertilized egg becomes an individual. Can we give as example here? Okay, now I write in here, study of developmental developmental changes developmental changes simply. Okay, then go for the next branch, dear student, that is physiology. So physiology means what? In the Greek language, physis. The physis meaning here, okay, physis meaning here nature. Physis meaning here nature. Okay, now simply we called a study of normal functioning of living organism and its their body parts. Okay, right here, study of normal functioning, study of normal functioning. Okay, study of normal functioning of living organism and its their body parts. And then go for the next branch, it is morphology. Here morpha means shape or forms. So morpha means shape or forms. Okay, let us study here, study of shapes and forms. Simply morphology means study of external features. Okay, the study of shape and forms. Now the next branch, anatomy. This anatomy consists of two words here. Okay, this is a anatomy. Okay, this word consists two words here. Ana means up to, okay, up to, and tome means, here tome means cuttings. So what exactly anatomy? Study of internal structures. Study of internal structures. Simply study of internal structures. Okay, dear student, please copy down these branches. Okay, okay, dear student, I'll remove this. Okay, this side also. Okay, next branch, coming to the okay, after the anatomy, okay, next branch is going to be studying about the histology. Okay, Istios means what here? Tissue. Simply the study of tissues, usually study of tissue and the tissue organs. Okay, in this branch we are going to majorly study about the study of tissues. Okay, study of tissues. Then go for the next branch. The next branch here, very interesting, and you have a syllabus for that. Okay, that is the cytology. Okay, cytology. Okay, what is a cytos? Means cell. So simply the study of cell structure, functions, everything in the cytology we are discussing. Okay, in this branch of biology. Okay, next go for the next branch. Okay, heard about the study of especially called hematology. What is hematology? Hemo means blood. Okay, so study of blood. Okay, then go for the next branch, that about the immunology. What is immunology? You know, the body defense. Okay, now the study of human system. Study of human system. Why it is necessary for us human system? To fight the various germs or infections. So it does not easily allow to our body. It causes diseases to us. So that's why human system is very important. So in the study of branch, he called immunology branch. Okay, the next branch, pathology. Pathology means here, pathos means deceased. Okay, so we simply can write here study of deceased. Study of disease. So in this branch we are studying not only the disease, even its causative,ness or always called the presence, and even also the consequences which is facing from this deceased. Okay, so everything in this pathology we are studying. Now come to the next branch. Okay, after this, genetics. So what is genetics? You heard about already in the characters, living characters, genes you have studied. Okay, similarly genes, genetics, it is a branch of biology that deals with the inheritance and variations. Okay, simply right, study of inheritance and variations. So it will be our variations. Okay, then the next branch after this evolution. So what is evolution? You heard about here, simply what you called changes which happens, that means monkey to man. So evolution we called as an evolutionary ವಿಕಾಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ. So study of changes, changes in heritable characters. So those are called evolution. Okay, please copy down these branches. I'll remove this part. Okay, I'll this. Okay, coming to the next branch. Study of the plants which is present in the previously. Okay, that branch is very interesting. Quite in the right now in the upcoming classes, even also you go for the higher education, your separate branches are there. Okay, right now I am discuss with the paleontology. Paleontology means what? Paleontology. Okay, paleontology here, simply I write down study of fossil. Study of fossils. Dear student, here paleo meaning here old. Paleo means here old. Okay, we are to investigating the old what you call plants and animals. So they have the sub branches in this paleontological branch. Okay, first of all, a study of fossils. Simple definition for paleontology. What is fossils? So fossil here nothing but dead remains. So dead remains we call it is a fossilist. Okay, ನಾವು ಪಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು we have called. Then this branch, that is paleontological branch, have consisted of two sub branches regarding with the flora and fauna. Okay, paleo botany, which investigate the previously present or those olden plants, okay, or flora. Then paleo zoology. So the animals which is present in the previously, so existing in this, we are studying, investigating the paleo. Okay, now come to the next branch, dear students. After this, geography. Geography. So geography, in this we are studying about the distribution of animals. Okay, study of distribution of animals. Study of distribution of animals. Okay, now go for the next branch. It is called very important. Okay, that is molecular biology. Molecular biology. So molecular biology branch, here we are studying about the living organisms at molecule level. So thus going to be studying about the living organisms at it is present in the molecule level. Okay, I written here study of living organisms, okay, at molecule level. Okay, we are study with the study of the living organisms, especially molecule level. Okay, then come to the next one. Okay, that is freshwater biology. Okay, freshwater biology. The next one is marine water biology. So in these two branches, so freshwater biology is saying that simply the study of life forms or a living organism which is present in the fresh water. Okay, and here the study of living organisms which is present on the marine water. So life form which is obtained in the marine. So example can here you can give here. So what is the differentiated character here, freshwater and marine water? Because in the fresh water the less concentration of salt, okay, the presence can be seen here. Here more number of salt presence is there. Okay, now example can I give the life forms which is obtained in the fresh water, especially the source where river, okay, lake, okay, ponds. These are the source areas which is the living organism which is present on the freshwater bodies. Okay, come to this example for here. Example for here, sea, oceans. Sea and oceans are the here the life sources for the marine waters. Okay, one key point to note down here, students, very important, because these two, that is freshwater and marine water, they will depend on the physical and chemical parameters. They especially they are depend on the physical and chemical parameters which is present on a fresh water and marine water. Okay, then only we will decide what kind of organism is present. So now the best source I told river, lake, ponds for the freshwater bodies, and the marine water we take see this sea and oceans. Okay, please copy down these points to your students. Okay, dear student, I'll remove this. This one also. Come to the next branch, dear student. Microbiology branch. So micro means here small. Simply study of microbes. Okay, so I written here as a study of microorganisms. Study of microorganisms. Okay, then come to the next one, environmental biology. Okay, the next branch here, environmental biology. So in this branch, okay, we want to study about the living organisms in relation with the environment. Okay. Study of living organisms in relations to their environment. Study of living organisms in relation to their environment. Okay. Now come to the next branch. Next branch, dear student. Here, human biology. Human biology. So human biology. Here, study of human beings. So it may be a behavioral character, or we're going to be a study of human anatomy, reproduction, everything in the humans. Okay, under this heading, I'll write here study of human beings. Study of human beings. Okay, come to the next branch, dear student. That is social biology. Social biology. So in this branch, okay, we're going to study about the socially and communal relations with the human beings. Okay, so simply I write in here study of, okay, social and communal. What do you mean by communal here? Community. Okay, so communal behavior of human beings. ಈ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನವ ಆ ಥರ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ biology is very important. Okay, now this community with this relation with the human beings. Okay, then come to the next branch. Okay, we will remove it. Please copy down these points, copy down these branches. Okay, this also. Okay, dear student, now the next branch will move on to parasitology. Here we are going to study in this branch the parasite, the study of parasites. Written here the study of parasites. Simply the study of parasite. That's why we call it as in parasitology. Okay, now example can I give here for this? Okay, you heard about this name, I think. What is this? Plasmodium. So you have, I think, heard this, the name Plasmodium. It is a causative agent for malaria. So it is a main parasite which causes the malarial fever in human beings. So this Plasmodium complete its life cycle in two hosts. One is the mosquito, another one is the humans. So that's why it required two hosts to complete their life cycle. Okay, that's why act as a parasite and mainly causes the malarial fever. Okay, now move on to the next branch. I'll written here biotechnology. So biotechnology so what is the major importance of this branch? Because the study of especially the uses of living organisms, their products that will be benefit for the humankind. This branch is very very important to us to getting more usage from the living organisms. I'll write here the uses of living organisms for benefits to mankind. So especially the use of living organisms, by utilization of the using these living organisms, you will get more products which is useful to the mankind. I'm taking one example here. So production of antibiotics. So production of antibiotics, just I have written one example here. Insulin. So insulin is very very required for the diabetic patients. That's why we will be getting this, the production of antibiotic, by developing this insulin, by through this technology. By using this branch biotechnology, we can get the insulin easily. These are the dear students branches. Still more branches are there. Now I am chosen some of the selective branches for your upcoming classes. That's why in this session we will discuss not exactly everything in these branches, just major major for your syllabus, that is helpful for your coming classes. So these are the today the branches of biology. Thank you everyone to attend the class of biology, and you know the branches of biology. Thank you everyone.